Welcome to Franchise Republic. In this video, we're going to feature Godo Mango and Avocado drinks and Yogi Yogurt and Ice Cream franchise business ideas. Godo and Yogi is owned by Alpha International Franchise and Trading Corporation, the same company who brought us Coffee Tea, Godo Mango and Avocado drinks. A two-in-one brand concept that is focused on serving refreshments using mango and avocado, where the price is adjusted in order to cater to the new normal. It is where the price of 39 pesos meets the highest standard in terms of taste and value for money. The brand is equipped with the highest quality raw materials for food and beverage business, offering the safest, consistent, and most economical products for everyone. Yogi Yogurt and Ice Cream. Yogi has guaranteed flavors that complement the taste that Filipinos are looking for. The concept was designed by expert individuals with a strong knack for ice cream and drinks. Excellent taste but highly affordable. Godo Products. The following are the Godo product menu: avocado latte and mango latte, which are served in solo size worth 39 pesos and jumbo size 49 pesos. Avocado shake and mango shake, which are served in solo size at 39 pesos and jumbo size 49 pesos. Avocado cheesecake and mango cheesecake, which are served in solo 49 pesos and jumbo size 59 pesos. They also have add-ons like pudding, cream cheese, and caramel sauce, which is worth 8 pesos only. Yogi Products. Yogi offers soft-serve ice cream, fruit-flavored drinks, and floats using unique flavors with a unique of-yogurt taste. Specific syrups and toppings were selected meticulously to match the taste of each product. Plain ice cream is worth 39 pesos, while the special ice cream is worth 49 pesos. You can choose to the following syrups, namely tiger sugar, caramel, chocolate, and strawberry. For yogurt drinks, Yogi plain yogurt is worth 49 pesos, while YoFloat yogurt with ice cream is worth 59 pesos only. The following flavors to choose from are blueberry, strawberry, lychee, mixed berries, and green apple. Brand positioning. The brand is positioned where all market classes are welcome. Low cost, high value beverages that the brand offers provides the affordability, satisfaction, and aesthetics that everyone craves and demands for. Profitability. For Godo, high profit margin per cup serving to ensure profitability and sustainability wherein 45% cost and 55% is the profit. For Yogi, high volume concept with a high profit margin per cup wherein 60% profit margin and 40% cost. Godo Franchise Package. The promotional franchise package fee is worth 99,000 pesos, wherein the construction cost on franchise account. The Godo package inclusions: number 1, franchise fee; number 2, use of trade name and logo; number 3, business operating system; number 4, layout and design; number 5, product training; number 6, ads and marketing support; number 7, equipment and utensils; number 8, initial stacks; number 9, staff uniforms; and number 10, notarized contract. For the Yogi franchise package, the promotional franchise package fee is worth 150,000 pesos. The Yogi package includes: number 1, franchise fee; number 2, use of trade name and logo; number 3, business operating system; number 4, layout and design; number 5, product and beverage training; number 6, ads and marketing support. Number 7, machine and equipment. Number 8, utensils and small wares. Number 9, product and supplies. Number 10, staff uniforms. And number 11, notarized contract. For the franchise procedure, number 1, attend the orientation. Number 2, submit a letter of intent. Number 3, submit requirements. Number 4, interview. Number 5, payment. Number 6, location approval. Number 7, contract signing. Number 8, release of mock-up design. Number 9, construction. Number 10, training. Number 11, approval of constructed branch. Number 12, schedule of opening date. And number 13, operations. For the contact details, you may contact Alpha International Franchise and Trading Corporation. You may contact Mr. Adrian Badong, marketing consultant and franchise owner, with the mobile number and Viber number 0956-594-9063. You can send an email at adrianbadong@gmail.com. Frequently asked questions. Number 1. Are the franchisee required to purchase only the equipment and supplies from the licensor? Answer. As a franchisee, you are required to purchase equipment and supplies directly from the licensor. The licensor assures supply assurance to ensure continuous operation of all licensee. Question number 2. After paying the franchise package, how many days will the franchise store be operational? Answer. It depends to the franchisee on when will they finish the construction of the store. Based on the current franchisee experience, usually it takes 2 to 3 weeks before the store opens. Question number 3. How long will it take to recover the cost of franchise investment? Answer. Return on investments depends on various factors such as sales and location. They can't guarantee how long will it take for ROI, but some of their branches took 3 to 4 weeks because of the price and quality of the drinks. Also, the volume of customers coming in and out of the shop. This will be further discussed during the franchise meeting after sending the letter of intent. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Godo Mango and Avocado drinks and Yogi Yogurt and Ice Cream franchise today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.